We are a kind people, a collective of merchants, paradise, and refugees. We have lived a time, patient time, dominated by the sea, desert, and mountains in the unforgiving sun. We fought to protect our families from our enemies, and with due to God, we have survived and lived in peace. We traveled far across the desert land and have made our home here in the coast of Sharjah. He was our ally, true and obedient. He can travel great distances very far and see beyond our eyes. He was trained by us to capture our daily needs. We care for our falcons as genuine companions. When the hunting season came to an end, we set our falcons free, and they returned back to the wild. Our time was the humble one, but that didn't stop us from cultivating the honors of the huge fields and tapping the water trapped beneath the absorbent sand. We built irrigation systems for that ranch, keeping the water from the mountains to nourish our gardens. It is a very vision to transform the desert into an oasis. I was the pearl diver, admired for their beauty and healing properties. Diving for pearls was dangerous but very rewarding. We returned to the sea every summer for 100 days to harvest them. Pearls were an important measure of wealth for us. It was thought that they were endowed with spiritual power. We built our dhows by hand with the tools that we made. Wooden planks were sewn together with cord made from the dhow tree. At night, we used the stars to navigate the mighty Arabian waters. And of course, trading was an important part of our culture.
While my husband was working in the trade trade, my sisters and I took care of the children, tended to the animals, and kept our garden healthy and fruitful. These were difficult times, but we managed and made the best of what we had.
On the land and in the sea, we survived in this environment. We were able to do so because we recognized the need to conserve it, to take from it only what we need today, and to preserve it for the generations to come. It was in the 1820s that I was chosen to help build a second store. I remember Sheikh Sultan bin Saqr al-Qasim, who was there with us every day ensuring that everything was in place. The building was rich in architecture and we constructed it in the heart of the city. We knew that the future was coming, needed to be ready to welcome it. We built the first airport in the UAE and began our relations with the foreign businessmen. They brought their Western inventions and they were useful to us. But more useful were the lessons of our past and our sacred traditions that had allowed us to survive in the most harshest of times.
I remember my friends and I would dance from the end of the day to dusk. It was a great time to be with my brothers and my family. Coffee served after a hearty feast. And storage by the fire always brought a pleasant breeze in the desert.
He brought us from our most troubled and unsure times, united us, and led by example. He started us in the desert. He ate with us. He said, a nation without a past is a nation without a present or a future. Thanks to us, our nation has a flourishing civilization. He rooted in this land for many centuries. These days will always flourish and bloom in the glorious presence of our nation and in its anticipated future. This was Sharjah, proud, hard, industrial, and strong. We overcame the obstacles of time and made peace in our hearts and fellow countrymen. We will be remembered by what we have done, and we will remember this always for our children's future.